Happy New Year to all my dear subscribers and friends. We will make one of the most requested recipes in 2026, the first one, that is butter chicken. And it's very easy, one pot dish, and you will enjoy making it, and your friends and family will love you for it. They will keep asking for more, that is my guarantee. You can take it in writing. So please go ahead and try out this recipe. It's 100% success. For this, I have marinated 1.5 kg chicken with all the masalas that I have given in the description: red chili powder, pepper, ginger garlic paste, kasuri methi, and we have to keep it overnight, that is preferred, otherwise at least for 1 or 2 hours, and we have to fry it in little bit of oil only. So we'll start that. Fry all the pieces one by one in a little bit of oil till the time they are a bit charred on all the places. Now this is almost charred, all the chicken pieces. I'll take them out, and in the same pan I'll cook the gravy further. I'll make a gravy, that is. Add some butter, since this is butter chicken which we are cooking. And then add about 4 large onions and just sweat them, no need to brown them. Roughly chopped 2 large garlic and about 2-inch piece of ginger, roughly chopped. Bit of oil so that it doesn't burn, and we will add 6 large tomatoes, roughly chopped. Before adding the tomatoes, I'll add the masalas. We have added, remember that we have added all these masalas, chilli powder and all in the chicken also. So we will add a bit of salt, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Salt also I have added. We'll set this, mix this well. Garam masala powder, I have added. After that I have added the tomatoes, 6 large tomatoes we have to add, roughly chopped. Handful of cashew nuts, that is, this is what will give the creaminess to the gravy, and 3 tablespoons of malt vinegar. Not malt, I am using plain vinegar. Let all this cook very well. Since we have to grind this to a fine paste, this all has to cook very well, and the tomatoes should turn mushy and very, very soft. Now this has cooked, and this has all the tomatoes are cooked through and very soft. So I will switch off and cool it, because I have to run it in a mixer. So let it cool and grind it to a smooth paste, that is all. So now I'll add, this is the gravy. You can sieve this if you want a very smooth paste like consistency, the really butter gravy. I have not sieved it, or you can use it like this. Add a spoonful of butter and let it cook for 2 minutes at least. Can add a bit of kasuri methi. Little bit is enough because we have already added this, and a bit of cream if you want, little bit, and add the chicken now. This has cooked well. I have added more kasuri methi and a bit of chilli powder plus garam masala also, and cooked it further. I'll add cream also, and plus the final scoop of 2 tablespoons of butter. So the butter chicken is ready. So serve it with anything you like. This goes well with anything. So this is it. One pot dish. So easy to make, you have seen. So please go ahead and try it. And please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more such recipes. Thank you.